welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing some recent bits and bobs that I got from the Dollskill. So those of you who are regulars on my channel will know that I work with Dollskill on a regular basis. They are very kind enough to gift me these items, but I do pick them all myself and I'm very honest about what I receive. But I will try and link them all down below if you like what you see. So let's just jump straight to it. So I'm going to start with the non-clothing items. So I very nicely hung it all up for you guys, just because I always feel like straight out the box it just doesn't do them justice, especially some of the nicer pieces, so I thought I'll hang them up. And also no one likes rustling, do they? So let's start with the shoes. Now these are from Current Mood and they are crazy. Like, I am very much aware they are crazy. And yeah, you can maybe see some of the colours. I'll take them out. Now, I have an obsession with mushrooms, always have, and I actually, in one of my more recent Dollskill hauls, I actually got like a mushroom dress. And I just thought these would be really subtle and would go really well with said mushroom dress. Like, let me know what you think, but I just love them. Like, they are crazy, they're platforms, but I actually love how colourful they are. Like, just how funky are those? I think they're gonna look great. But yeah, so they're the crazy shoes. I will put them on for you so you can, you know, judge them on my feet, but they're just something fun. They're very much statement shoes. I'm not gonna walk a marathon in them, but they're, you know, I do find platforms very comfortable actually. So I'm excited to wear these because they're just so wacky. They came in a very big box, but I suppose they are big shoes, aren't they? But yeah, so let's put those on. This is how they fit, and they actually fit really comfy. Like, they might not look it, but they're a really nice fit for my foot. So it just sits quite nicely in there. They are that sort of plastic clear style, which I always think if I had really hot feet, will they just leave like condensation all on the inside? But maybe that's something I'll have to trial. I don't really want hot feet in kind of plastic anyway. I feel like that's just going to be very sweaty, but I think they are so fun. Like, I actually really like these. I think they're definitely going to bring attention to themselves when I wear them, but I don't think they're too bad. I actually think I can wear these. Let me know what you think, but I'm already sold. I love these shoes. I'm definitely a fan of wacky heels, so no, I'm here for these, and anything with mushrooms on is just an extra yes in my eyes. Now that we've got the shoes out of the way, clothing wise, I'll start with the jacket because I'm just obsessed with it. I mean, look at the embroidery on the back of that. Like, isn't that just amazing? It's completely embroidered on and it's this beautiful green and blue and orange dragon. Like, I love that. And it's just a really wearable colour. It's kind of like that denim grey, which will just go with everything pretty much. So let's put it on. It might not go with what I'm wearing actually. I know I just said it'll go with everything, but oh, too much hair. Look at that. Do I look, I kind of feel like a biker. Even though it's not leather, it's got that sort of vibe with it and obviously all the embroidery, but I just love it so much. And it actually fits quite nice. It's very much an oversized fit. So this is in fact a size small, but it's, you know, quite a lot of space in there, but I think that's the style. So yeah, so that's the first thing I got. So I thought I would just try that one on top of what I'm wearing because I can. The rest I'll try on properly as I usually do. So the next thing I got is this beautiful summer dress. So I just loved the colours of this with the little flowers on. I thought it would be really sweet in summer. I know it looks very wide at the moment, but it's actually that sort of wrap style. So it's basically you wrap it on and then tie it and it'll be really sweet. And the straps are adjustable, which is lovely. I just really liked the print of this one and it's like kind of a floaty, cool vibe. So let's put it on. This is how it fits and it's such an easy fit. Like, I love that it just wraps around and ties. It's not tight anywhere, but it's still a really cute kind of summer dress. Just lovely to put on kind of in the warmer weather, but it's just, I love the little like skirt at the bottom. I think it's so cute. I just love the print on it. I think it's just really sweet. Now, I really like this one. The straps are adjustable, which is great, so you can have it higher or lower depending what you're feeling. But yeah, it's just a really easy little summer dress, this one. I just loved the sort of colours and the print on it. I thought that's just really, really cute. So no, I can definitely see myself wearing this one throughout the summer. So really happy with this one. I just love the fit of it. And it's just really sweet, like they've got little like white daisies on with black middles. I think that's just really sweet, really nice with the red as well. So no, love this one. The next thing I got is this gorgeous little black dress. Now I just fell in love with kind of the style of this dress, and I really liked the thick straps that it's got here. And it's kind of got like a square-ish neckline, but it just looked really easy to wear and really sweet on the model, so I wanted to give it a go. And it's that lovely sort of stretchy ribbed material, so I think it's going to be really comfy to wear. So I'll go pop this one on. This is how it fits, and I love this one. I really like how it kind of accentuates my waist, but it's just a really nice fit. It's not too tight anywhere, but it just feels lovely, and I love the square neckline. I think it's kind of vintage looking. I don't know what era the square neckline's from. It might be the 40s, I don't remember. But I just think it's really, really sweet, and I love the wide straps. I think they look lovely. So no, I'm really happy with this one. I think it really accentuates my shape, which is lovely. No, it's really cute, and it's not too long or short. It's just like a lovely length. It's kind of like in the middle of my thighs. So no, this is a really simple, easy to wear dress, but yet it looks really va-va-voom. So no, I'm really chuffed with this one. And it was only $20, this one, I think. So this is like the cheapest piece, but it's just very timeless, being like a nice black rib dress. I really, really like this one. And they do it in white as well if you like the idea of that, but I thought I'd stick to black. I feel like it's safer. The next thing I got is a pair of jeans. Now these, I thought they were going to be stretchy, but they're actually non-stretchy mum jeans. So there's no stretch in there, but you never know with mum jeans. They might fit gloriously or they're just not getting on. But these ones look promising, and I really liked the sort of moon and star print on them. I thought that would be really sweet to just throw on when I'm at uni and just look a little bit more stylish than maybe plain jeans. But we'll see what they look like on. So these are from Horoscope and size small. So we'll see how they fit, because I don't think, they look like pyjama bottoms off a body, don't they? But I think on they'll look fine. Like, I think I can style these right, she says. Let's have a look. This is how they fit, and I mean, I got pretty lucky. For jeans with no stretching, these fit pretty good actually. Like, they're not too tight anywhere, they're not too big, like the waist isn't bad, and they actually, like, they fit, they're not like squashing me anywhere. I think if I sat down in them for a really long period of time, they might start cutting off my leg supply, like my blood supply I meant, but I think, you know, just for running around uni, they might be really cute to wear, and I love the moon and stars on them. I think it's really fun, and I don't think they look like pyjama bottoms. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think I get away with it just about. I think if I wore a matching top with the same print on, then we might be in the pyjama territory, but yeah, I think they're quite fun. Let me know what you think, but I don't mind these ones. I also got another pair of jeans, so I'll just take them off the hanger for you guys. So these are also by Horoscopes, but these ones are a little bit unusual. They've got like maps all over them. So hopefully you guys can see some of the detailing in these. But it's really unusual. I really liked it. And these ones, they are stretchy. So you never know with Horoscopes. I've got some from them that, like, most of the jeans I've got from them fit beautifully, like, but most of them have been stretchy. But the last pair you saw did fit even though they were non-stretchy. But I do like them with a bit of stretch because they look like proper mum jeans. But I can, you know, if I wanted to, do some gymnastics in them. They're that stretchy, which is great. So these are just a really unusual pair of jeans. They do like matching tops and things like that, but I thought that was a bit too crazy. So I decided just get the jeans. I can try them with a plain top and style them that way, but they're just a bit funky. I kind of like them, so I'll go pop them on. This is how they fit, and I mean, they're a nice fit. They're very wacky, but you know, they're not too, they just fit me quite well actually, and the fact they have a bit of stretching is always appreciated. The length of them, a little bit on the short side, but kind of cute for maybe spring, summertime, but they fit quite nice. I mean, I don't know about, the more I look at them, I'm not sure about the print. Like, I think I am crazy enough to rock it, but yeah, let me know what you think. I mean, I am wearing jeans covered in maps right now, but I do low-key love them. Like, they even have like crabs and they have like all the images on as well. They are really cute. Let me know what you think, but no, I think I'll wear these. They're something different, aren't they? So let me know what you think. The next piece I got is a corset top. Now, this top I love the look of, and corsets are really in right now, but I'm not sure on the puffy sleeves. Like, I love the sort of body bit there and the way, like, the denim and the way it's being darted, but I'm not sure on these kind of puffy sleeves. I don't know, they might look great and they're really in fashion right now. I just can't do them. Like, everything I have that has the puffy sleeves, you know, I think, oh, that's cute, but it's just not very me, so I never end up wearing it. But no, it's very cute. So this is by Sugar Thrills and it's a size small. The cups look good. It looks a little bit on the wide side. Don't know if you guys can see that, like, it's quite a bit wider than my body, but you never know until a body's in it how it's going to fit. Now, these sleeves are sewn on properly. So if you look, it's like completely stitched on. Like, you get some tops with a sleeve that's literally attached by one stitch, and they're really easy because I can just snip them off. These ones will be a pain to remove from this like corset if I don't want them there, but we'll see what it looks like on and then I'll decide if I'm going to alter it, but it might be cute. But this top just, unfortunately, it is too big. It has potential to be really cute. Like, I think the cups even look really good, but I mean, it's not even a little bit too big. Like, I can literally get another half of me in there probably. So this is very strange because I've never had an issue with Sugar Thrill sizing. This is a size small from their stuff, and I mean, it does have sleeves, so we can see if that helps. Maybe they thought they could make it bigger because it's got like the shoulder bits, so it doesn't need to be like really tight. I know it doesn't go with these jeans, my apologies. So it's not great, is it? I don't think these sleeves are just not it. Like, I'd want to take these sleeves off and then take it in, because I think if I took the sleeves off and made it a bit tighter, then it would have the potential to look really cute with my jeans or my shorts. But the question is, do I need it? Probably not, but it's cute. But yeah, the sizing is completely off on this one. So if you really like this top, make sure you size down at least one size, because this is just huge. Like, I'm quite surprised, like, there's just so much room in this top. But you don't know until you try, do you? But I really like the fact that it's got like yellow stitching on the blue. For some reason I just really like that. But yeah, so that's this one. So the last thing I got is this. It's a little bit unusual, this one. So I liked it because it kind of looked like a rugby shirt that had been turned into a top and a skirt. So this is the top, and then they've also made like a matching stripy skirt with a pocket on the bum there. So I thought it might look like an oversized shirt turned into a cute two-piece, and I just liked the concept of it. Now that I have it, it's a little bit pajama-y. I'm not sure I'm feeling it. I might wear the top more so on its own, but again, not sure. We're gonna put it on, see what it looks like, but I think I liked the idea of it, but I'm not sure I'll actually wear it, if that makes sense. So we'll see how it fits. It might be really cute on. Like, I was just thinking to lounge around the house in whilst I'm working from home, could be really cute. But now that I've got it, I'm not sure it was the best pick on my behalf, but you don't know until you try it, so let's put it on. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm feeling this one. I don't know, I feel like, yeah, it's just not quite the one. And I'm not sure on these colours. Like, let me know in the comments what team has these colours, because I don't really know anything about rugby, to be honest. But this just isn't quite working for me, I don't think. Like, it has potential to be cute as single items, you know, like skirt on its own, top on its own, but together I think it just turns me into, just looks like I'm wearing a rugby top dress, which I suppose is the idea, but I'm not loving it. Not loving it, but I mean, it fits cute, it's just not quite selling it to me, I don't think, but let me know what you think. I kind of feel like, do I feel like a prisoner? I feel like a prisoner. I know they wouldn't wear cute mini skirts, but I think it is giving me like prison vibes. I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this. I thought it had potential, but it hasn't quite achieved it. But let me know what you think. Like, is it cute? I mean, if I was going to wear this, I would just lounge in the house in it. But yeah, not sure on this one. That's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this haul. Let me know what you thought of the items and which was your favourite. I always have a lot of fun when I do a Dollskill video, because you just never know what you're going to get. It can be quite hit and miss, but you can find some real gems amongst their stuff. Like, I love this dragon jacket. Like, it's just so funky, so I can't wait to start wearing that. But thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more. All my social media will be linked down below as well, and I do have another channel if you'd like to check that out, which is all about rocks and fossils and weird stuff like that. I know it's very different to fashion, fossils, but that's me. So if you'd like to check that out, the link will be down below as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed.